If Canva is giving you a video export error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your video exported without the frustration. This is one of the most common issues creators run into, especially when a project is large, has heavy elements, or the browser just needs a quick reset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try in Canva to get your export working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is refreshing the page. Sometimes Canva just glitches temporarily, and a simple refresh can clear the issue right away. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R, and then wait for the page to reload completely. Once Canva comes back up, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the export process and cause Canva to fail while rendering your video. Open a new tab, search for a speed test, and run a quick internet speed check. Make sure your connection is stable, and if the signal is slow or dropping, try switching networks or reconnecting before you export again. Now, if your project is still not exporting, the next fix is to reduce the video size. Large Canva projects with too many pages, animations, high-resolution clips, or heavy design elements can make exporting more difficult. Go through your project and shorten the number of pages if possible. Remove anything that is not essential, and simplify sections that may be too resource-heavy. If you're using lots of videos, effects, or large graphics, try trimming those down because smaller projects usually export much more smoothly. Another great fix is to lower the export quality. When you choose a lower output setting, Canva has less work to do, which can help avoid export errors. To do this, go to Share, then select Download, choose MP4, and look for the quality options. Select a lower quality setting and then click Download again. This is especially helpful if you just need the file exported quickly and don't absolutely need the highest resolution. If the error is still happening, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with Canva's export process. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Open Privacy. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data, make sure cached images and files is selected, and then clear the data. After that, reload Canva, sign back in if needed, and try the export one more time. In many cases, this alone can solve the issue. If you've gone through all of these steps, one of them should usually get Canva exporting again. So remember the order: refresh first, check your internet speed, reduce the size of the project, lower the export quality, and clear your browser cache if needed. These are the most effective fixes when Canva video export errors appear out of nowhere. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this one. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.